Mieri ere kuma mubango mweru wa kuheana motungata ma urigitani wa SHA wambiriirie kurutithio wira ukoretwo ugumeirwo ni mathina kiondorita na gutiga arwaru aingi makigirika. Undu uyu niguo ucungireirie arigitani a gikiro gia clinic officer rungu rwa kiama kiao gia kuso kwanirira guthararia mihang'o ya urigitani kiumia giukite makihinyiriria kubunjwo kwa bodi ya SHA.
That he disbands this board because they do not understand his vision on universal health coverage and appoints people who understand the vision and who will be able to use social health authority not for their own vested interests but to ensure that Kenyans wherever they are they can access quality health services.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro muikariri giti wa kuso Peterson Wachira augite mubango uyu ni ugumeirwo ni ungumania uria utumite amwe a memba ao mage kwandikithio rungu rwa mubango uyu.
And so they are forcing anybody else, clinic officers, nurses, laboratory technicians, you have to look for a medical officer's number for you to be able to pre-authorize using that. And when our people try doing that, then the people you are demanding that number from, they ask you for money.
Ameba a kiama giki aria ni makiria ma 30,000 maugite agikorwo undu uyu ndugakinyanira ni megwitia mugomo wa kibururi kwa ihinda ria ciumia 2 ciukite.
Private healthcare facilities run by clinical officers make up to 60% of the total private healthcare facilities in Kenya. By denying them empanelment, these facilities will be unable to offer services to patients seeking care through social health authority scheme.
Wachira augite kurena ameba a bodi ya SHA maretia besha niguo marehe mathibitari mathire maria matarihitwo ni NHIF. Riu akiuria kamite ya kuhurana na ungumania itafanie uthuthuria wayo.
From our investigation, and this is why we are calling on Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission to come and investigate, we have realized that the motivation for these people to do this is that this money that is paid to the KMPDC illegally, they have a way of channeling it back to themselves and they are benefiting from the proceeds of that corruption money.
Oho Wachira ni augite ni mandekeire president na minister wa ugima wa mwiri makimoria maigirire na mamenye niki kirathie na mbere thiini wa bodi ino.
We wrote a memorandum to the president and we are requesting, because we are doing this to support his cause in SHA, we are requesting that he can invite us so that we elaborate this, and we even give him details that we cannot be able to say in this press conference.
Ihinda-ini o riu ni marutite mukana wa gukabobania gwa sekta ya ugima wa mwiri kumana na urugamiriri muru wa kuma bodi-ini ya SHA. Gerifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Waithira Wairungu.